All right, it is 6 a.m. Officially lines in. We're at Boone Lake, round 5 of the TCKA series. Got to the boat ramp, littered with bass boats. Okay. Well, we just had something come up to hit the old plopper. Didn't commit, but we're gonna see. Listen, I don't care about results today. I just want to get a couple fish on the board. That's it. I'm tired of being skunked. Oh yeah. Finally. Fish number 1 in the books. And it feels good to finally get the skunk out. Well, I got hit on the popper, but guess what? Set this reel up yesterday, forgot to set the freaking drag. I am telling you. It's a little bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie. Just really wanna see a beautiful topwater blow up. Realistically, we need to catch 3 or 4 fish here by 7:30, 8 o'clock. So that would be ideal. All right, I think the top water bite is done. So we're gonna move over here and we're gonna start working these rocks. And we're gonna fish around. I'm saving the docks and all that for a little bit later with a wacky setup. So only downfall fishing on a lake when there's bass tournaments. This is what you're gonna get all day right here. Of course, you make the most perfect cast. And the trebles don't want to play nice. Well, currently ranked third out of 11 anglers. Largest fish is 17 inches. So I'm off by the largest fish by half an inch. Have any luck? That's me. I caught one at the break of daylight, and that's been it. Yep. So there was a guy back here bass fishing, and he told me he was tearing them up on a green lizard. Well, I've got a lizard, but it ain't green. Guess what I left at home? Green lizard. Experiment time. Not the experiment I was looking for. Think I can measure that on the board and it count? Man, I tell you, I'm the stick king today. Cleaning up the lake one twig at a time. Oh my God. Tree. Well, would you look at that? It's the sun. Here's what I know. I just had a fish, so guess what? They're right here off this grass, and they're on the black and blue chatterbait. Man, that stinks. I needed that one. Now here's what I'll say. He wasn't no big one, but right now it's a game of inches. Oh yeah. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Listen, we don't care. We're just taking fish right now. Guess what? You're gonna help. Close it. Talk about right on 14. Good deal. Let's get in their picture. Well, thank God I got that one. They're hitting, we ain't a moving. Alright, I need 40 inches to crack into paying position. Oh yeah, I ain't gonna get it. I think it's gonna be big enough to measure. At least. Right around the trees. Listen, who cares? All we need is fish. Right now. Close your mouth. Hey. Okay. Now you didn't want to close it. Now open it up. Look there. Nice little largemouth bass. Alright, take it. We will take it. Now, did I get my lose rod in there? Oh, heck no, it's all the way back here. I saw him come up and eat it. All right, that is a wrap. Haven't looked at standings since lunchtime, so could not tell you what place I'm in. Last time I looked, I was in 7th or 8th with 3 fish, and that's where I ended today. After the windstorm that we had, the kind of messed up where I wanted to fish last part of the day. So, all in all, not going to complain. 3 fish on the yak today. Didn't catch our limit, but we did place. So, it's been a long day. That's it for round 5 of the Tri-City Kayak Angler Association. Appreciate you watching. Do all the things. Help the video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. We're going to get out of this wind, load up. We'll see you on the next trip.